Now, again, not everybody can have restorative care done 100% because of the damage that you did to your body, or medication did to your body, or chemo did to your body that cannot be reversed, right? So there's all, it's all relative. But the key is, the tools that every acupuncture clinic uses are pretty much the same. Similar, I would say, not the same, similar. The difference is in these details, in the minutia, right? So acupuncture, do they do it locally, distally, right? So if you think if it makes it worse, it's probably because they did local. Electric stem, did they do TENS unit? Did they do microcurrent? Did they do nerve reboot, right? That's difference. Herbs, did they give you herbs to just help with the symptoms, or did they actually correct the problem, or they restore their body's ability to heal itself, right? And how do they determine that? If they correct the problem, how do they determine? That's a question. How do you determine what was the cause? Besides the chemotherapy external, there's external reasons, right? We can't change those. I'm talking about internal. That's what herbs address. So from the internal reasons, it is always organ function. I just gave you a little secret, right? It's always organ function because your organs are what heals your body, or responsible for restoring your body's health, right? So the next question is, how do they determine organ dysfunction? Like in our clinic, we have, again, a diagnostic tool that I created. Only my clinic does this in the whole US. Functional pulse diagnosis. That is how we identify which organs are dysfunctioning, not just the ones that are causing your neuropathy, but the ones that are preventing your body from healing itself, healing the neuropathy by itself. That's why we can do restorative care. Okay. We also have a metabolic breath analysis. We also have medical thermography. We also use a 3D body scan. Okay. So we use functional pulse diagnosis, which is based on traditional Chinese medicine, which is a 3,000-year-old medicine. Okay. This functional pulse diagnosis is something that I created. Okay. Only our clinic and my team does this. And so we use 3,000-year-old technology with today's technology. So metabolic breath analysis, medical thermography, and 3D body scan, these are today's technology. And we combine both of them also with your blood labs, blood chemistry. That is how Achieve Integrative Health, my clinic, that's how we determine which organs are dysfunctioning. So you can see how comprehensive that is. And that's why, again, that's why we have the most 5-star Google reviews than any clinic in the entire US. Okay, so these are the general, I would say that the general things to look for when you are selecting an acupuncture clinic to get help for your neuropathy. Okay. Now, in future videos, I will tackle other questions like chiropractic. Chiropractors are saying they treat neuropathy. How do they treat it, right? So I'm going to tackle that in future posts. So stay tuned.